Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create your company profile page on LinkedIn. Let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to just click on the top right corner and scroll down a bit and click on create a company page. Once you click on it, you will see these four options: small business, medium, large, showcase page and education institution. You have to choose accordingly of your business type. So I am going to choose small business. So once you land on this page, just enter the name of your business. So let me add Shout Me Gadgets as my business name. Okay, if you have a website, then you can enter the website URL in this particular field. And now you have to select the industry of your company. Like for example, if it is in a biotech or automotive industry or computer hardware. So in my case, I'm going to select computer hardware. You need to select the employee size. I'm going to select 2 to 10, and then you need to select the type. There are a lot of options in the company type: partnership, privately held, non-profit, government agency, public company. So in my case, I'm going to select privately held. Now scroll down a bit, and this is the tagline that will be shown on your LinkedIn page. So I'm going to take this from my Facebook page. You can write it as per your need. Okay, this is the description I have written on my Facebook page. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it here, but the limit of this particular text field is 120 characters. So I'm going to remove some of the text from this description. Now we are good. Let's click on verify option. Now you have to upload the logo of 300 by 300 pixel. I'm going to select the logo, and you can see the page preview in the right side bar. As you can see, it looks perfectly fine. Now I'm going to click on create a page button. Congratulations, your page is ready now. And you can see this this is the admin view that you are seeing in front of you. These are some suggestions from LinkedIn, like description and location is pending. If you want to unlock the content suggestion from LinkedIn, then you need to enter the description and location. So I'm going to enter the same description just for this video. You can write it up to 2000 words. The rest of the details are already filled. And let's enter the name of the company, year founded 2021. Specialties are like we are computer hardware and software blog. So I'm going to write that specialty accordingly. You can add for example, if you are a software company, you can write software as a service or SaaS company or B2B, something like that. Once you do that, click on save button. Now your information has been saved, and if you want to share your first post, then you can use this option in front of you. You can cancel it, no thanks, or start a post. If you click on start a post, for the first time it will show you this automated message. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. If you want to publish it, add the hashtag, because a hashtag is going to help you to discover your post on LinkedIn for publicly. Once you add these details, then click on post. Now this post has been published on your LinkedIn page. Now let's enter the location. For example, I am from India. Let's enter the city details first. Let's enter state here, Haryana, and this is the pin code where I am staying right now. And you can change the location name as headquarters or any other branch name. You can change the heading accordingly. Once you save it, street address is mandatory, so I'm going to select a random address here, because sometimes the street address are not findable by LinkedIn, so you can enter it manually, or you can use some other option like my organization doesn't have a street address. I will show you in the next step. Let's save it first. It looks like this. Now you can edit the location address as well. I'm going to select my organization doesn't have a street address, and I will going to save it again now. Okay, once you did this step, just cross it on right corner and click on no thanks. Now you have unlocked the content suggestions. You can add the hashtags. Hashtag is going to help your page to be more visible on LinkedIn, so that people get to know about what your blog is all about or what your page is all about. We are a hardware review or software review blog, so I'm going to enter as a hardware. Let me see what other top hashtags that LinkedIn has. If something is not related, then I'm going to enter blogging. So you can enter up to 3 hashtags for a page to be tagged, and so that the post from this page can be appear in the trending section. So I'm trying to enter affiliate blog, but suggested hashtags are not coming accordingly. So I'm going to enter tag again and see what is relevant to my LinkedIn page. So I think tag blogger is relevant to me. As you can see, 3 hashtag topics are allowed on LinkedIn page. Once you do that, just click on no thanks. Now you can see the message, your page is now built for success. Great. I think you understand the process now. If you want to update the cover image of the post of your page, then you can add right now. Otherwise you can upload the cover image later on. Let's leave it for now, because I don't have a cover image as of now. I will upload it later, but you can have the dimension in front of you. Now you are seeing this page viewing as a member, like for example, if someone is not following your page, but if someone is landing on your page, he or she is going to see this page like this. He or she can see your post, people, jobs posting, something like that, and all the information that you guys have shared publicly with the new people who are going to follow your page or who are landing on your page. So now you are seeing your page as a admin. So you can see in the analytics the visitors, updates, followers, and employee advocacy. These are the helpful details that can help you to optimize your LinkedIn page or post, so that you can increase your followers. Lot of inside details are there. In the content suggestion part, right now you are not seeing any trending articles, but once you start posting it, LinkedIn is going to select or show you trending articles based on the filters on the left side that you have applied. Total estimated size of the filter that we applied, like all the LinkedIn members. So LinkedIn have this particular number that is showing in front of you on the left side bar. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.